broke and need money now? Hey guys, it's Adrian once again. Another strong video for you guys. Not only I want to show you how you can make money from my work, that I want to help you make money, guys. Now let's get this video started. I am starting a rotator that will spit you out $100. The Elevation Elite right here, guys. $100. That's where we're going to start yet. Instant, or you can get a check from the company every week. Okay. Next part of it is the $25. Now we need residual income, guys, also. So that's $25 per person residual. Okay. So we need residual income. Now this rotator will only have 100 spots, so I can help the 100 people. Now I'm going to provide the advertising. I'm going to provide everything, guys. I just need 100 people to start at the $100 with the easy one up. And I need 100 people to start with the conversion pros. And that's $25 you'll make per sign up, guys. Okay, got that out the way. Once the 100 spots is filled, I will be driving a lot of traffic to the rotator link. Now I'm going to show you what type of traffic I'll be bringing to our rotator link, guys, real quick. First traffic source I will use is traffic for me. I will start at the 200. Then I'll go to 500, then 1,000. And this will be to your links, guys. To your links. And I'm going to give you share codes, and I'm going to give you everything that you need to do, guys. And I will be contacting you and things of that nature so you understand the plan, guys. All right. Second traffic source I will use is MLM leads. And I will be buying a lot of clicks from this traffic source right here for your link. Okay. Third, I'll be driving traffic for free to your links with traffic ad bar that you can see hits this month so far, 13,000. And this is my other websites I promote, guys. So, but I will be promoting your link with traffic ad bar for free. Okay, let me show you something else. Fourth way I will be driving traffic, guys, is offline marketing. I live in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, and the Blue Book reached circulation of 20,000 per week. And I can place small, tiny ads, business opportunities, broke and need money now. And I'll be promoting this in the Blue Book also in my hometown, this offline marketing. Now, when you start with Easy One Up, the first button that you will see below this video, guys, start at the elevation level. Elite right here, guys. The $100, not the $25, the $100. And then just click on Start Now right there button, okay? And then fill out the information that they, your password and your username. So I will know that you are in, but you will come to that button below this page right here. So I have your phone number so I can call you up and tell you how this will work. Guys, more information. So make sure you fill this form out first. And then you'll come to this page and you will see watch the video first. And then make sure you sign up with Elevation Elite. Okay. Now, the second part of the income guide stream, this will be the second button, guys. It's called the Conversion Pros. Make sure you fill this form out, right? And I will give you all my share codes for this funnel also, guys. I have I'm going to show you a couple pages. So when they fill their information out, guys, and join today, they'll come to this page right here that I made, and they'll tell you watch this video and they'll show you the comp plan, guys, what you can make, and then just information right here. Click here to see more super hot. You get super hot leads. You're ready to join? Just click this right here, guys. And then and also, guys, I want also if you decide to claim the spot, only 100 now. Friend request me on Facebook I'll leave the link below this video, guys. You'll see either on YouTube, um, uh, Facebook, my link right there, or you will see on my email subscription guide, uh, a Facebook link right there. All right, guys. But remember, the spots will fill fast. So take action now. 100 spots I have, and I will promote your links, the Conversion Pros and Easy One Up, with my marketing systems, guys, that I always use, and also with my traffic I use, guys. So you will start making money immediately, because you will get the lead for Easy One Up right here, guys. And I will connect with you more on tell you what, you'll have this link right here in your back office, Easy One Up. And then I will make you this funnel, guys, because you'll be part of the Conversion Pros, and I'll give you all the share codes, and it'll be all linked to you. And also, guys, I want to show you how you can create a rotator also in the back office with the marketing system, the Conversion Pros. So I want to help you build income, especially for 2019 is about to end. So 2020, that you can say, hey, you know what, I made 6 figures, guys, from the help of Adrian. And that's why I only want 100 people, and I can help the 100 to be great marketers. So make sure you sign up with the Conversion Pros. Uh, and you can go for the trial for 14 days, but make sure you upgrade, and also make sure you join Easy One Up at the $100 instant cash, or you can get a check every week on the effort I do and the effort that you would do also, guys. So I hope that you take me serious with this rotator. If you never made money online, let me show you how to make money online. So let's make 2020 and beyond great. And I will see you on the other side, guys. Peace.